easyfix DIY carpet and vinyl edgings are in a choice of 9 different styles. These provide covers between 2 floor coverings, attractive edges and nosings for stairs or mat wells. They are made from strong, high-grade aluminium in silver and gold, which is anodised, giving attractive and long-lasting finishes. The surfaces, where needed, are ribbed for safe footing. Stock lengths are 895mm and 2.7 meters for cutting to size with a hacksaw before screwing firmly to the floor. If you cannot find what you want in our store, we can usually order it for you, so please ask us for more details.